Hey, welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, is April the 2nd. You may hear that date a lot. I am doing a lot of videos today. Please excuse my voice. Y'all hear that? I feel I'm a little dry. But your girl's not feeling really well, but whatever. But we're here today to cash stuff, y'all. So if you want to cash stuff, my money, $295 from my last and final paycheck of the month of March. Let's see. Okay, so boom, y'all. If y'all stay tuned and clear, that means you want to go ahead and budget this money with your girl. First things first, let's get the pleasantries out the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, y'all. Hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is love, love, love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you're new around here, hey y'all, hey, welcome, welcome, and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Budget Baes, as soon as you got the video, please hit the like button, y'all. It definitely does help my channel, and I appreciate it down, okay? Not only that, if you're new around here, hit the like button. Not only that, if you like it, hit the like button, but also hit the subscribe button, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm out of whack. I'm not feeling good. My cycle is on and popping, and your girl is just trying to push through right now. I have to get these videos done because I have to get this money out of my wallet. It's been in my wallet for 2 or 3 days, and I need to get these videos done, and so that we can close out the month of March, okay? All right, so let's move some stuff out of the way because, you know, we got too much stuff going on. We have the wallet. This is our everyday carry envelopes. These are long-term savings. Let's move long-term savings to the side. This is going to be our little low amount savings challenge that we're working on. If we finish that, we'll have $350 extra to do something with. Here is our sheet from our last paycheck budget where we were budgeting $395. So let's pull the money out. I'm sorry, I said $395, but I mean $295. All right, so pull out a little money out. Girl, this girl counted my money about 5 million times. 51, 50. So let's take that 50. Hold on. So 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, and 95. Okay. So $295 is what we are working with. Alright, so you guys should be able to see the little money right here. Let's talk about what we got going on. I got so many receipts because I was at the store. And the grocery store. I really need to go to the grocery store and look with my list. I went to the grocery store because we had my niece had a crawfish boil. And so we had to go to the store for that. Get some stuff for that. Here's some change. Let's go in the change drawer. Change drawers actually getting kind of full. It's almost full. Whenever it's full, we will take it and we will go to see how much coins we have left. Let's move these HEYY receipts to the side because like between them and Joe V's, baby. Really HEYY. I had one to. I only go to Joe V's if I need something really quick because they really don't have everything I want in Joe V's, honestly. Alright, so let's see how much money we had left in our because I know it's kind of low. Baby, we've been spending, and then I ended up having to replace some money because my mom's birthday was on the 25th of March, and we had went over there, but I didn't pull the cash out of my personal account, so I ended up having to put money back, pull the money out of this account, pull the money out of this cash that I had in my thing, and grocery budget. I ended up putting a $50 bill out of my grocery budget, and then I had to go and replace it. So anyways, last time we had $280 in our in our groceries. We had 280, but we only have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. And one, we're going to put that $1 to the side. So we only have $180. No, I'm sorry, $80, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Wait a minute. Whoa. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay. Lord. So $75. So 280 minus 75 means I spent $205, y'all. I need a red pen. So minus 205 left your girl with 75 hot dollars, and we're gonna add 115. So let's add 250s. Let's add a 10 and a 5. Because baby, I need to go to that grocery store bait. I might need way more than this. So 51, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 290 is how much I have in here for now. I'm probably going to use up all this. 51, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay. So $290 is what we have. And we're going to put that we added it on the 31st, y'all. It's $290 that we have, okay? Let's move on. The next thing that we did was gas. Now, since Papa did get his new car, we will be giving him gas money now. So the last time I checked, I had $140 in gas. Now I have 20, 40, 50, 55, and 56. So we take that random dollar off. 20, 40, 50, $55. So 140 minus 55 is going to give me 85. $85, and then we're going to add 20, 40, 60, 80 to there. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 35. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 35, okay? So 135 is what we have. We're going to give Papa $40 for his gas. And I think I'm going to make a lump sum payment on my Amex with that rest of that money. Because remember I told y'all if I still had money at the end of the month in gas and in my miscellaneous and in my out to eat, I would make a lump sum payment. I was thinking it was going to go to Capital One, but it's probably going to go to my Amex since I'm paid that off. So Papa's gas. Alright, so out to eat, we used up our hot $10 for out to eat. We're not going to add anything in there, but we are going to say that we used our hot 10. So that leaves us with 0 in that. My nails will also have 0 because I ended up using my nail money. I think I had like $150 in there. That money has been used. So $150 we used that. So we got $0 left in there. So minus 150, and then I'll start stuffing that when Papa gets paid in a couple days. Okay, now lawn service, we do need to give it $25 because I can see for myself that our line is growing. So we're going to do that. We need $50 actually. So we're going to put half of that up now. And then when Papa gets paid, we'll have the other half. And then when the man comes to cut our yard, he'll be paid instead of just dry cutting our damn yard. And we didn't ask him to do that shit. Alright, so 331. We added $25. So lawn service got $25, y'all. I know I sound like draggy, but I think it might be my medicine. I'm not feeling good, y'all. So I came right in and took some medicine, so I feel like it's calming me down, like has me really slow. But that's because your girl about to go to bed. Okay, so in our miscellaneous section, I had $15 left. And I have not been using anything in miscellaneous, y'all. So I still got that same $15. We're not going to add anything to miscellaneous. We'll just keep the 15. Again, like I said, I'm going to be clearing that folder out. And I'm going to make a lump sum payment to my American Express card. American Express is the next thing that's going to be paid off, okay? So let's move on to, we'll skip King for now because he's in the long-term service binder, but let's give Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime needs $5. So last time we checked the Amazon Prime, we had $10, $15, $20, $25. We're going to add $5 more to it, and that's going to give us $30. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We are on the road to $150. I might need to put an extra 20 in there or something, just to make sure we're on track, because I think I did forget something. I didn't start stuffing this, and I'm not stuffing it each time I get paid. So we probably need to do a jump start of maybe just a 20, and I feel like I'll be all right. All right, so that has $30 in there now. And then we can close this book up, and let's move to our long-term savings book. Remember, I moved King over to the long-term savings because he has so much cash in his, and I don't want to be walking around with that cash, y'all. So last time we checked, King had $215. We're trying to get $250 before we start paying for anything for him. And he is going to be going to get a bath, and he's going to be going to get his nails cut and de-shed. So let's make sure it's $215 here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 5, 10, and 15. We're going to give my big boy $10. So that's going to give him, instead of $215, it'll be $225. So King actually is $25 away from his goal. That's gonna allow me to start spending. I want to try to always keep $250 in there for him. All right, so let's move on now. Car maintenance, we had $105 in car maintenance. We're not gonna do nothing else in it. I don't have to put it out of counter either. The emergency fund, though, we did have. Well, it's our petty cash because it ain't enough to be a damn emergency fund yet. But we had $560 in there. We're going to add $10. So 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 50, and then 560 is how much we have, okay? We're going to add $10 to that. So now we're going to have 570. We're on the road to $1,000, you guys. So 331, we added 10, leaving us with $570. Okay, again, when I get to $1,000, I'm gonna actually take the $1,000 and put it in the bank, and I'll put a placeholder there. Okay, now we have our upcoming vacation fund. Last time I checked, I had I'm not doing anything. I had $680 in our Colorado fund, so I'm not gonna waste my time and count that. $680. I'm leaving in a few weeks. All right, now that last 50 that we had is actually gonna go to our new car funds. Pop already got his car, so it's time for my car, and I at least need $3 grand to go anywhere to do it. All right, so 255 is how much we should have. 20, 40. I'm sorry, Jesus. 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 255. We're adding another 50. So 255 plus 50 is going to be 305. Right? Yeah, 305. 305 in that. Alright, new home. New home upgrades, we're not giving any money either, but that amount had $435 in there, okay? So this is perfect. Alright, y'all, so that is going to be that for our long-term savings folder. Let's put this back in our binder. I'm sorry, not our binder, you know what I mean, in our planner. And then we only have $2 hot dollars left, y'all. Let's look and see if we see. I don't think I got enough. I don't. Yeah, we have $170. I got $2 here, but I'm just gonna save it. Cause y'all, I know I told y'all I'm trying to do big numbers, so I need like either 15 or 10. I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big ones. So we're gonna just save the little $2 in here until next time, okay? Alright, so if you guys have made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button for me. The like button definitely does help my channel out, and I appreciate it down, okay? If you're new here and you enjoyed the video, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that, and I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes, okay? And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.